Okay, hi Flutter Dev, welcome back. In our last video, we spoke about pattern matching, and one very interesting thing we took a look at is the wildcard pattern. But trust me, there's something more interesting, and it's the when keyword in that. Yes, like when as in when will you marry? Yes, there's a when keyword in that, and this was introduced in that 3. In this video, we're actually going to be exploring how to use the when keyword in that. So let's go, guys. We will create an abstract class called animal. We'll give it a string property called name and a boolean field called as wings. We'll also generate a constructor for this class so that other classes can extend this class. We'll then create a class called bird, which will extend our animal class. We'll also give this class its own constructor and a field called number of legs. Also, we'll create a class called dog, which will also extend the animal. We'll give it number of legs, and both classes will invoke the super constructor. We'll create an animal variable. The value will be a dog, the name will be sniper, the has wings value will be false, and the number of legs will be 4. Then we'll use a switch expression to get the child of our center widget. If our pattern matches a dog, when the animal does not have wings, we'll then return a text widget that says, this is a dog, its name is sniper, and it cannot fly. When our animal, on the other hand, matches a bird, we will then return a text widget that says, this is a bird, its name is plain, and it can fly. When we run our code, we get the output to be, this is a dog, its name is sniper, and it cannot fly. Now, that is how to use the when keyword. The when keyword just basically helps you add further constraints as to whether the body of a case should execute or not. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.